Ayan,
Let's invite Mr. Christian Abulecha from Bravo.
Matapos na. Mga mi, we're ending the live. Bye-bye po. Tapos na eh. Thank you po so much for watching. Picture na lang po. Hindi tayo makuha dito. Bye-bye mga bakla. Salamat po.
Sorry pong. Tayo na yan.
Nagikuha lang.
Okay na yan, ano?
Uy, nakahano ka sa live.
Alive kasi. Ano na, Albert? Ipapalit mo lang din naman. Oo ba? Sa picture lang naman ito post. Ipapalit mo. Alam mo, basta ang picture.
Now with Sir Paulo Arevalo, Sir Jonas Gaffood, and the Mr. Filipinas Worldwide Kings.
Ama na Kurt. Ama na, no? DeAndre. Ayun sila lang mag-picture lang. Yan. Tayo. Okay. Ay. Ano ba? Already. Yun. Perfect. Babae. Okay.
Thank you so much. Now let's invite Holiday Inn family for a photo op with Kurt Bonda.
Go. Miss World Philippines. Okay, ngayon. Kailan na ba yan? Kailan na ba Miss World? November 30 daw. Oh. Kurt, one more photo. Tawagin mo ni Kurt, wait lang.
Now we call on the representatives from the Newport World Resorts. Alright, well that being said, that concludes our Victory Press Conference. Once again, how about a big hand for our Mr. International 2025, Mr. Kurt Bonda. Put your hands together, everybody.